Hey guys, welcome back. Hopefully you guys are not tired of seeing my little houses. But I made 4 more for Mother's Day. And I just wanted to show you how cute they look. So let me show you real quick. Okay, so, let me see if I can put this higher. Okay, so I made this one here. And all the houses were made and the colors were picked by my friends who wanted these for Mother's Day. So this one is one of the greenhouse. Cute, right? So I made that one. Then I made this yellow one with some pink, some little baby, I guess like a little mint green. Super cute. Then I made this one. And they're just so much fun to make. And it's just the perfect little gift for Mother's Day. And then I made this one, which is probably my favorite. I love all the pink and the blues. I think they came out super cute. And they all hold a full-size tissue box. And these don't have the tissue boxes yet because I'm going to put these in individual gift bags with the tissue box. But as you can see, I had made this one. And it does hold a full-size tissue box. See? Let's put it in here. And I just think it's so super cute. But yeah, these are all my houses. And now they're ready to be put in bags with their brand new tissue boxes and gifted for Mother's Day. I hope you guys like it. And tomorrow I'll be back with more projects. I just had to finish these houses because I have to take them to work on Monday. So yeah, I feel like it was taking me forever. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. Bye.